Let's talk about some drugs should stop before surgery and restart after surgery. First one is antiplatelet drugs. Drugs which inhibit platelet aggregation, used to prevent or treat condition caused by blood clots like pulmonary embolism, deep vein thrombosis, if patient on stent, peripheral artery disease, heart vessels disease, stroke, ischemia. Antiplatelet drugs should stop 7 days before surgery. Cardiologist and physician will advise you when stop the drugs depend upon the patient. Antiplatelet drugs include aspirin, NSAIDs. NSAIDs are commonly used for the painkillers. Clopidogrel, Persandin, Ticlopidine, vitamin E, fish oil. Vitamin E and fish oil also reduces the platelet aggregation. If patient on prophylactic aspirin 75 to 150 mg can be stopped 2 days before surgery. Don't stop aspirin if patient on stent. Antiplatelet drugs can restart 12 hours after surgery. Next one is reversal agent of antiplatelet drugs. These drugs used to prevent life-threatening bleeding events. Desmopressin injection, platelet transfusion if required. These medications increases the coagulation factors to promote clotting. Next one is anticoagulants. Medicines which used to prevent blood clots in stroke, heart attack. Heparin, warfarin, low molecular weight heparin like enoxaparin. Heparin and warfarin stop 6 hours before surgery. Next one, low molecular weight heparin, enoxaparin should stop 12 hours before surgery if patients on prophylactic dose of deep vein thrombosis. Stop this medicine before 12 hours before surgery if patient is on treatment of deep vein thrombosis. Restart the anticoagulant medicine 6 hours after surgery. Reversal agents of anticoagulants. Protamine, vitamin K, fresh frozen plasma. It is used to prevent life-threatening bleeding events. Next one, fibrinolytics. It is a group of medication used to manage and dissolve intravascular clots. Example, streptokinase, urokinase. This medication used to break down clots in some cases of myocardial infarction, pulmonary embolism, and arterial thromboembolism. Next one, reversal agents of anticoagulants. Tranexamic acid 500 mg 3 times a day or 10 mg per kilogram IV stat. Tranexamic acid is commonly used. Thank you for watching.